Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the gear that defines the modern battlefield, the 2025 edition of a soldier's loadout. With advancements in technology and military innovation evolving every year, this loadout represents the cutting edge of combat efficiency, safety, and adaptability. Whether you're curious about what today's soldiers rely on or you're just fascinated by modern military tech, you're in the right place. Let's take a closer look at what's packed into this high-performance setup, from the outside in. On the exterior, the 2025 soldier's uniform is a marvel of engineering. Gone are the days of simple camouflage patterns. The new battle dress is made of adaptive nanofabric capable of shifting patterns and colors in real time, depending on the surrounding terrain and lighting conditions. It's like having a built-in stealth system, powered by AI. The fabric is not only adaptive but also breathable, weather-resistant, and flame-retardant. Body armor has also taken a leap forward. Soldiers now wear lightweight composite ceramic plates that offer protection from armor-piercing rounds while maintaining flexibility. Integrated into the armor is a modular gear system with magnetic quick-release fasteners, allowing for fast reconfiguration in the field. External compartments are designed to hold smart ammunition magazines, tactical drones, and portable energy units to keep gear powered on the go. Inside the gear system, things are just as impressive, though more discreet. A biometric undersuit is worn beneath the main uniform. This tight-fitting garment monitors vital signs like heart rate, hydration levels, body temperature, and even cortisol levels to track stress and fatigue. All of this data is transmitted in real time to a command center or squad leader, allowing for better tactical decisions and quicker responses to health emergencies. In terms of performance, the 2025 loadout dramatically increases a soldier's capabilities on the battlefield. A major upgrade is the addition of partial exoskeleton support in the legs and lower back. This helps soldiers carry heavier loads without straining muscles or risking injury. It also reduces fatigue on long missions and supports better mobility across rough terrain. The helmet is another powerhouse of performance features. Equipped with an augmented reality visor, it provides real-time data overlays including maps, enemy positioning, when available, communication feeds, and even facial recognition of potential threats. It also has integrated thermal and night vision, making low-light operations much more effective. Communication systems within the helmet allow for seamless voice command and audio filtering, ensuring soldiers can hear commands clearly, even in chaotic environments. Safety features have also taken a huge leap forward. The modern helmet includes active blast protection that absorbs and deflects shockwaves from nearby explosions. Integrated noise-canceling tech protects soldiers' hearing from high-decibel weapons fire. The body armor includes chemical and biological hazard protection layers and features an auto-injector system that can deliver life-saving medication in case of exposure. Additionally, every soldier carries a trauma sensor patch that automatically alerts medics and transmits GPS location if the wearer is injured or immobilized. These features dramatically increase the odds of survival in the most dangerous combat scenarios. What sets this loadout apart are its unique selling points. Adaptive camouflage makes soldiers harder to detect. The exosupport system enables longer missions with less fatigue. Augmented reality helmets with translation features allow communication in foreign territories. Biometric health tracking keeps soldiers safe and monitored at all times. And let's not forget the integration with tactical drones, allowing soldiers to send out mini surveillance units without breaking formation. Every piece of gear is designed to increase awareness, decrease reaction time, and enhance survivability. As for the cost, outfitting a soldier with this full 2025 kit doesn't come cheap. The estimated price ranges from $45,000 to $65,000, depending on specific mission requirements and terrain. While that may sound expensive, it's a price many nations are willing to pay to ensure their soldiers are equipped with the best tools to survive and succeed in combat. In conclusion, the modern soldier's loadout in 2025 is a perfect blend of protection, intelligence, and performance. It's not just gear, it's a complete ecosystem designed to turn every soldier into a fully connected, battlefield-ready operator. It shows how far military tech has come, and gives us a glimpse into the future of warfare. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.